Yeah. Hot of beef.
I'll give it a go.
Yeah. Any preference with the meat?
Ham, please.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good. No jalapenos, please.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, not lovely.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Welcome back, everyone. Today's special is a mix of pupusas, originally from El Salvador, and Lancashire potato cakes. I seasoned the potatoes with salt and pepper. I've added some garlic and butter, and I baked it off in the oven. Next, I prepared the base for the pupusas with the cornmeal. Very simple, you just add salt, pepper and the right amount of water, then I let it rest for half an hour. Next, I've prepared a pickled slaw using cabbage, carrot and red onions. I've added salt and pepper to the mix, and I poured over the hot vinegar and sugar solution, then I let it pickle. Next, I prepared a red salsa using onions, peppers and tomatoes mainly, with some added garlic, salt, pepper and olive oil. I've only partially cooked the vegetables before I blended them because I wanted the salsa to taste very fresh and refreshing. After I liquidized the salsa, I've added butter, oregano and some balsamic vinegar to it. Meanwhile, the potatoes were ready, so I mashed them and cooled them down, and then I mixed them with the pupusa mix. Once the mix was nice and smooth, I portioned them up into 150 gram portions. I filled them with cheddar cheese and then I grilled them. I really like original pupusas and arepas, but to be honest, for my preference, I prefer the half and half mixture of cornmeal and potatoes. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little mise en place narration. Today's protein selection was roast beef, roast pork, sweet cured pork loin and turkey. Let me know in the comments what you would have gone for. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be back soon with more content. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. Yes.
Now one of these please with roast beef.
Roast beef, to eat in or take away?
Eating.
Yes, can I help? To eat in, to have the beef and cheese. Beef, yeah?
None of that, please. None of that.
No, anything.
Oh, actually, I'll have a bit of that.
Sure.
It's just the onions.
Oh.
Bit of cheese?
Little bit.
Everything for you? Potatoes, no stuffing, please.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Potato, no stuffing.
Not too bad, not too bad. How's the preparation going? Oh, you're on the way?
What potato?
Yeah.
No, I'm going to have
Come on.
roast
No vegetable?
And the vegetables.
Yeah, you could.
Just
That's
potato
it.
and
Already got the
no.
full.
No, that's jam and that.
Oh, that's salmon.
All the vegetables.
Can I?
Let's come back to New Zealand. 3
Yes,
weeks.
please.
Oh, lovely.
Roast pork, please.
Oh.
T-ball.
He's a nice color.
Oh, nice.
I will see him. Everything? No stuffing?
Just a small amount of paper.
Of course.
Potatoes.
Eating in, take away today?
Parsnips, please. I like the old parsnips. No stuffing. Some of the old spinach, please.
Okay,
Everything
Yes,
for
sir.
this?
Pork, yeah? Eating, take away, sir?
Eat it.
And just vegetables.
All vegetables?
Just carrots.
Becky, you look confused.
No gravy?
Pull up a chair and put that in.
Pepper paper? Everything for this?
How do you feel? Adventurous or not too adventurous? Mind you, there's not much adventurous about this.
Chociaż straight out of hungry. That's what I'm going today.
Hiya.
Pork chop.
Yeah, I'm boring. I would go for pork. Eating, take away.
No meat?
Pork. Por favor. Is it
If not, would you please everything?
What would you recommend?
pork? Yes. Pork or gammon is even better. The sweet cure pork. Eating, take away. Eating here.
You get no time off? I swear you go all the time. You never seem to be on holiday.
Oh, I am. I wish I would be a bit more, but
Yeah.
maybe one day. Couple of jalapenos,
No, thank you.
bit of extra cheese on the tomato.
Yes, yes, please.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
The beef, yeah? Meat beef, please.
Yes? Yes. rice, please, to take away.
No problem. You can go over there, the girls can serve you.
Yeah.
Everything with the turkey?
Yeah, everything.
That's fine, you just tell the girls what you don't want, right?
You sound like a Polish lady that you said. What do you want? What do you don't want? Other people waiting. Oh, come on, Jason. Break his foot. Jason is on the phone.
Oh.
I'll put it on here for the time being. Actually, I'll do a thumbnail. Thumbnail for my video.
Okay.
You have any preference with the meat? Pork. Yeah. Enjoy longer.
Thanks.
Milad. Daikon?
Yes, can I have
Beef, of course. Yeah. Eating takeaway today?
on a plate, please?
Oof.
I love it, thank you so much.